Good morning, and welcome to another Hawaiian shirt front Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different in Excel. I know a lot of you probably use Excel for various things. Hopefully we'll show you something today that we found pretty cool. So on your Excel spreadsheet, you've got a tab that you can go to Data. You can do a new query, other sources, and yes, they have a place from a website. What website are you going to use? Well, we decided we wanted to do NFL statistics. Hey, we like football. So we copy in our URL over to Excel, paste it in. It does a little bit of checking on what you want. Well, we don't want the document because it doesn't have a whole lot. But guess what? It has a table. Let's load the table. Here you go. You can see it loading up all the stuff, and here we go. We got 2016 passing statistics for all of the quarterbacks in the NFL for last year. And since this is on the web, we can actually link this and keep this updated. So we're going to try to build one for 2017 season, keep it updated, and see what happens. Anyway, you can link to all kinds of different data sources, bring them into a spreadsheet, and do your own analysis on it. I know this is pretty deep for some of you guys, but we figured it was pretty awesome. So anyway, today's question, where are the 3 locations of the Microsoft retail stores in Colorado? First 5 people that can get that answer to us will give you out something great. So anyway, have a wonderful day and stay warm. Thanks.